I'm Michael Timberlake, and this is my story. My story started right here in Huntsville, Alabama. I've always figured I was going to be a lawyer because I'm the son of a lawyer. My father's practiced law in Huntsville for over 50 years, probably over 60 years at this point. From the early age, I realized that what he did really affected people. The things that he did to help people that didn't have the means to move forward with their lives and try to put them on the right track. I got into personal injury law because there was a friend of mine in Birmingham, and her father was a personal injury attorney that had handled some very high profile cases involving Ford and the product defects with the Pinto. And I always thought it was a great opportunity to be able to represent an individual against a large corporate interest or a large business interest. I think one of the things that's most important to me and the lawyers in our firm is that we sit down with the client personally and listen to their story. Everybody that walks in our door has a different story. They take from where they come in life and how an injury has impacted them, what they have been through, how this event has impacted themselves and their families, and how it's impacted their lives. But one of the most important things I think you can do as a lawyer is know your client, know their circumstances, and explain to them in the best way you can their path forward and how you're going to help them. We're a personal injury firm and we litigate, we go to court. So in our mind, a lawyer is an advocate. Their job is to take your story, look at the law, translate that into an argument that can resonate with a jury to allow for recovery. I represented a man on a motorcycle that was hit by a truck that was doing a U-turn, and the police report was wrong. And these were injuries that had changed his life. He lost a leg. No other lawyer would take his case. And he came to me and I said, I think we can make this work. And we went out and we worked hard and we did an investigation, and we were able to work that case when other lawyers had turned it down and come up with a very, very generous recovery for this man and changed his life. So we're advocating for our clients, and I think that's the most important thing that we do. No good lawyer is going to tell you that To Kill a Mockingbird is not one of their favorite books. You read it as a child, even if you're not a lawyer, and you understand that lawyers have a place in our community to right and justice. Everybody's different, and you have to look at everybody's lives from a different angle.